Not good. So I'm in the golf cart out here at the apartments. I'm gonna look at this AC. They're saying it's just running and running when the unit's off. So I have a suspicion or assumption that it's the contactor. So that's what we're gonna go look at. Go see if it is that. And then go from there and try to get some videos. Knock this bad boy out. Get out this heat. Alright, y'all, let's see. Alright, so I already got the cover off. So this is what this unit is doing. So inside is off. So I got my pen. Let me use a stick. So I got a stick. So this one's gonna be a little tricky because see, it goes in, but what it is welded. It pitted itself shut in there. See, that moves. Usually these are like stuck in like that, but this one, you know, you can go in and out, but it's in here that it's pitted to itself. See, the fan, everything is running. So even if I pull this bad boy out, it still stays running. And there's no voltage to the 24 volts. So what I'm gonna do is just pull this bad boy out. So I already had a feeling it was this. So I got one here. Got this Yukon. This is what they got here, so that's what I'm gonna go with. So just replace that bad boy and go from there. Cool beans. Try to find a decent angle for y'all. There you go. Let's rock and rolling. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna double check the power, make sure I'm good, even though I see the machine is off. Just get in the habit for the new guys, the guys in the apartments, just get in the habit of checking it. Don't just rely on, oh yeah, the machine turned off, so I'm good to go. Nah, you definitely want to check it, you know. So, no voltage, go on top. No voltage, great. But one leg to ground, nothing. Go to the other leg, ground. Just for kicks and giggles, do the top, other leg. Boom, so we're good to go. All right, so I'm gonna replace that contactor. Let's get to it. This one's not too bad. I know most of the times, like I said, that thing will just stay stuck in there, but unfortunately this one didn't do it. So yeah, you just want to be careful on, look at everything properly. So this is not the brands that I normally use, but this is what they have here at the at the apartments. This is where I'm at right now at the apartments. So that's what I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna do wire per wire. I know some guys, you know, a little bit faster here and there. They do things certain ways. So the call on this one was the guy, he was having a leak inside but never knew why. Every time the unit would turn on or what happened, he just had a lot of water inside. That was because the unit was frozen because the fan inside wasn't turned on. Just the unit out here was running and it freezing the coil inside. So this is the apartment style, so they got the wall mount air handlers. Got it in. Get this phone. There you go. Put all the reds on one side, the blacks on the other. Everything nice and tight. Tight, tight, tight. All right. So there you go. Now it's not running. So I have it off outside. So I'm gonna put a wire nut on this bad boy right here. I probably, yeah, these units. Yeah, see these units need. Here they need a lot of work, man. So, well, thank y'all for tuning in. I appreciate y'all. God bless. Everybody be safe. Thank you.